my asymptotes first. Okay, my asymptotes, obviously, they are at x equal to 90 degrees and x equal to 270. Okay, then if you look at the table, when x is 0, y is 0. When x is 45, y is 3. Okay, so we're going to have 0 here. Let me check that again. When x is 0, y is 1. So that will be somewhere here. So x is so when x is 0, we are here. Then when x is equal to 45, we have got y equal to 3, which will be somewhere there. Okay, please, it's a sketch. Okay, it's not supposed to be 100% accurate. Okay, then if I scroll down, when x is 90, that's what we have got the asymptote. 135, that's minus 1. Okay, and then 180 is 1. So 135 is somewhere there, that's minus 1, which will be somewhere there. And when y is equal to 180, that's going to be 1, which will be somewhere there. Supposed to be in line with that. Okay? Then we go down. 225, y is 3. And 270, that's error. So 225 is somewhere in the middle here. Y is going to be 3, which will be somewhere there. It will be the same point as that, same level. Right? Then you scroll down. 315, that's minus 1. 360, that's 1. So 315 is somewhere here. That's minus 1. Our minus 1 is going to be level with that. So it will be somewhere there. And the 360 is going to be 1. It's going to be 1 here because of the vertical shift. Remember, the equation of the function is y equal to 2 tan x plus 1. So because of this plus 1 here, it will start on the y-axis where y is equal to 1 because of that plus 1. The plus 1 is for vertical shift. The basic graph 2 tan x starts at the origin. Because of this plus 1, it starts at y equal to 1. Okay? So all points that are supposed to be on the x-axis for 2 tan x, they end up being at y equal to 1 for 2 tan x plus 1. Then you just join those points. So when you draw, we don't expect it to be perfect, but you get something like that. And then here, you get something like this. And then that one there will be like that. And then it stops. So you must get something like that. Okay, now to sketch it with nice curves and so on, it requires some experience. So you have to practice. Okay? You have to practice. Now, from here, we can do some analysis. Okay? We can do some analysis, like for example, we can write down the values of x for which the graph is undefined, which will be x equal to 90 and x equal to what? To 270, where the asymptotes are. The graph is undefined where there are asymptotes. There is no y value where there are asymptotes. Okay? You can also get questions like, for what values is the graph increasing, decreasing, and so on. All of those questions can also come up. Okay, now for now, we are only sketching the graph as single graphs. We can combine the graphs. Okay? Like, for example, sine and cos, or cos and tan, and so on. All right? So your next exercise, any questions?